This is the explanation of how the application Photos 4W Pro, available on the Microsoft Store, works. It is based on the concept of the 4W: who, what, where, and when. An application designed to sort and organize your memories, and to leave a trace for future generations. The screenshots used in this video are in English. Photos 4W Pro is already available in French, German, Italian, and Spanish in addition to English. You will therefore see the application in the language of your choice. The hamburger button allows you to show or hide the left side panel. The blue button allows you to choose the folder containing your images. It is the most important button in the application. The second blue button allows you to choose the destination folder for moving your images. You can now click on the directory of your choice. Keep in mind that there is always a command bar at the bottom of the window. The three small dots open additional commands. The action button opens a menu that lets you rename, move, send, or delete the photo. The stretch button allows you to stretch the image according to the mode of your choice. The geolocation button allows you to search for the exact place and view it on a map. If the geolocation has not yet been determined, the place will be searched based on the uppercase words in the title. Of course, you can enter whatever seems most effective to find the location. Then select the most likely place, and click to pin the map at the chosen location. The map is then displayed with a pin marking the exact location of the photo. You can move the pin if necessary, enlarge or reduce the map. Don't forget to save this new GPS position using the Save button. We are now back to the image. Here is the button to start an automatic slideshow. The speed of this slideshow can, of course, be adjusted. Here, you can stop the slideshow or change its speed. And here, you can easily return to the previous view. The information button gives you access to the image's key metadata. They will be displayed in a panel on the right side of the window. Here, you can edit the image title. Here, you'll find the place and the map. Here, you can click to specify the shooting date. If there are people in the photo, this is where you should enter their names. Don't forget to press enter to confirm. If more than 6 people appear in the list, an additional button will show the remaining number. Simply click it to view the full list. Let's focus on this command bar. It allows you to view your images by group or thumbnails, and to sort or filter them. The last button refreshes the directory. We clicked the group button, then selected a group. To select several groups, simply use the Ctrl or Shift key. A right-click opens a menu with additional commands, namely, viewing the selected group as thumbnails, launching its slideshow, or compacting it if needed. The discontinuous sequence indication means that the file names do not follow a regular ascending order. For example, you might have image 001, image 002, then image 004, skipping 003. Hence the usefulness of compacting to smooth the list of names. Here, we chose to view the group as thumbnails. You can click one or several thumbnails to select them. You can drag the selected group of images with your mouse to place them wherever you want. Once rearranged, you can select all thumbnails with the bottom button, then rename the files using the F2 key or the Actions Rename button. During renaming, All existing group names will be suggested first. But you can also type a new group name. Do not add an extension. Each file will be renamed with a new name, an incrementing index, and its original extension. Here, you can choose the starting index. If you click the times, the number 001 will be used. I just clicked the sort button. You can see the available options, by file modification date, size, image dimensions, or random order. I've just clicked the filter button. Several options are available: search by title keywords, search by person name, filter by file size, image width or height, favorite status, or orientation, portrait or landscape. Let's start a search with the keyword Germany. First, check the box Search by title keywords, then type Germany. Once entered, simply click outside the menu to confirm, and the search begins. We've filtered all images whose title includes Germany. By clicking on an entry in the filtered list, I can see that they are indeed pictures from Germany. But let's refine our filter by adding a person search. By clicking outside the filter menu, we confirm a filter on the keyword Germany and a search for all images including Andreas Meyer. With this restrictive filter, we obtain the single image where one of the people is Andreas Meyer and whose title includes Germany. A right-click on the image opens a small floating menu that lets you open the photo in another application. Very useful if you need to crop or edit it. Note that the current window size is displayed to help you choose the right crop. Refresh the image if you've modified it in the other app. Let's open another photo. The image seems cut in half, but the stretch button lets you view it in full. When opening the information panel, a red banner appears. It indicates that this file lacks the metadata needed to add a title, date, people, etc. Indeed, the file is in PNG format, not JPG. How to fix this? Simply right-click the image and choose Edit Image. The photo will open in the Microsoft Photos app. Here we are in Microsoft Photos. After clicking the three dots, we can choose the Save As menu. This is where we must select the JPG format to save the image in the new format, the one that can contain metadata. We're now back in Photos 4W Pro. A directory click is needed because a new file has been created in the directory. The new JPG file has been created. We can select it and open the information panel. And now we see that the metadata are accessible. Move the application window to the right edge of the screen like this. Here, I've opened the Mail app and placed it on the left side of the screen. I can then drag the image from the right to the left to insert it into the message body. This drag and drop works with all target applications that support it. Now you already know a lot about Photos 4W Pro. Enjoy exploring and appreciating the concept of who, what, where, and when, the 4 questions everyone naturally asks. See you soon for new adventures and discoveries.